Hi everyone. So I'm starting a new playlist. It's going to be about food and starting with my most favorite thing, biryani, chicken biryani, and this one is Kerala style. I have learned this recipe from my mother-in-law. A lot of the spices aren't available with me, but I do have nutmeg, mace. Allspice leaf is not there with me, so we are going to be using curry leaves. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's very easy to make and tastes just amazing. So, for this, we need 500 grams of marinated chicken, ginger, curry leaf, onion, chilies. And we begin by taking a pressure cooker, adding about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To this, we add onion, curry leaf, ginger, and some garlic, crushed garlic, about 2 pods. And then we go in with our dry spices, which are coriander, jeera, turmeric, red chili, and pepper powder. And you mix it in at a time when the onions have become slightly translucent. You don't want the onions to be browning. And then just mix them in, and these spices are dry, so they won't take very long to cook. And after a little while, add your marinated chicken and stir it in. Saute the chicken well so that it amalgamates with the masala well and catches on to all the beautiful spicing that we've put into it. And now we'll just add our whole spice. So the whole spices that I've put have got bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, pepper, mace, and nutmeg. And that is uh, nutmeg which you see me putting into the dish right now. And I really love the flavor of this. It comes straight from our Kerala garden. Now I'm going to close the cooker, but before that, I'll just add a little amount of water. And this is a very important step because I want the onions to completely melt away in the masalas, forming a very thick gravy. And on the other side, you can see me fill up a vessel with water, and this vessel is to cook this rice. This is Dawat Supreme Basmati rice, and I've taken about 600 grams of it. I've cleaned it, washed it properly, and then I have soaked it. And then you can see the water has started to boil in the other vessel, and this is and there is also a decent amount of jeera in there, and there's star anise, there's cinnamon, also adding oil as well as salt, and this will season your rice. And on the other hand, you can see that the chicken is cooked, and I'm just putting the final touch of garam masala. And here you can see on the other hand that our rice is also parboiled and it's quite long grained. And now I shall take about half cup of warm water, add saffron and ghee to it, about 2 dollops of ghee, and then take a little bit of the gravy from that chicken and mix it in and make this really nice concoction. And now we have all our ingredients ready with rice, chicken, and that mixture. And we are going to layer rice and chicken on top of each other in alternate layers. And once this is done, cover it with rice and pour that concoction of ghee, saffron, and water, and then just set it in our rice cooker and push the button and let it cook on automatic program setting. So your biryani is now ready. Garnish it with cashew nuts and raisins that have been fried in ghee. And I can't tell you how aromatic this biryani is. It smells of curry leaves, it smells of cardamom, clove, pepper, all the things that we've put in there. And relish it with your family and friends. And if you like this recipe, like, comment, and subscribe. And I shall be posting more such beautiful recipes for you in future. Take care. Bye bye. Eat well. Stay healthy.